Hey there, it's Paul Lavoie, Connecticut's Chief Manufacturing Officer, and I'm here at Asnuntuck Community College up in Enfield. And today we have the Connecticut State College and University's Manufacturing Challenge.
So I'd like to welcome all the community colleges that are here today to compete in our first CSCU Manufacturing Challenge. I wish you guys all good luck, be safe, and may the best team win.
We have students from 5 community colleges across the state, and they're here making 4 components that'll make a mill stop assembly. They're on the clock. They've got a little more than 2 hours to be able to make their parts and get their assembly together so the judges will be able to take a look at it. Exciting day planned here at Asnuntuck today.
So today we have the students working on a mill stop, which is a precision project that our students make at these community colleges here. The purpose of a mill stop is for repeatability in manufacturing. So on a milling machine, whether it's a manual machine or a CNC machine, when you have to run 100 parts, you set it up one time and then you clamp this down to the table in a CNC or a milling machine. And then all you gotta do is put the part up against your stop and you're gonna get repeatability on every part.
I think we're going to see some pretty amazing work happen, and it's gonna show off the incredible talent that we have here. And I don't see why we wouldn't do it every year to make sure we remind folks that the heart, the blood, the soul of this state and the work that happens comes through our system.
We are happy to host this, the inaugural event of this manufacturing challenge. Very exciting. Asnuntuck is the flagship. This is about 50,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Awesome to bring everyone here, show them what we have, and experience it.
What else do we have in plan for right after the competition? What's going to happen after that?
We're going to get to go over to our main campus, look in our tower lobby. They have the robotic welder simulation over there. We've got a robotic maze, so it's going to be pretty cool to see those robots go through the maze. Lots of things, and wait till you see the medals that are going to be given out at the awards.
All right, I'm about to head out on the shop floor here. We're going to talk to some of the faculty members about what we've had the students doing.
Each team consists of 4 people. Each has a different process that they are doing. They will assemble the product. The judging will be based on the accuracy, following the blueprints, the aesthetics, and teamwork.
I just interrupted you with some of the other instructors here troubleshooting a lathe. What's happening over there?
Yeah, we got a little bit of taper going on the lathe, so we're trying to dial that in because we only have a 2,000ths tolerance on this shaft that's 6 inches long. So the taper has to be absolutely straight, and that's what we're trying to do. We want the most precise part we can make in this lathe. It's a little freaky moment for them all, but this is what it's about. In the real world, they're going to be running the same thing.
What do you teach?
I teach metrology, I teach SolidWorks, and machine theory.
Excellent. All right, so my understanding is there's some tight tolerances here.
Yes.
So
Yes,
the
there is.
metrology courses are going to help, huh?
Oh, I hope it will.
We got a little under 2 hours, I think.
Yep,
right? Yeah,
a little bit.
A little under 2 hours, so the kids are working hard.
Yes,
in this
they are.
Beautiful facility. I mean, let's talk a little bit about the facility here at Asnuntuck.
We got a bunch of lathes, bunch of mills, nice and clean. We try to keep it that way.
This looks like the floor of a manufacturing facility anywhere in Connecticut.
Yes.
So we're replicating.
We try to replicate it as best we can.
I'm here with Tisha. She's from Naugatuck Valley, and she's working on a Bridgeport here. So how's the program at Naugatuck Valley?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
I have some wonderful instructors. I'm circular interpolating a hole using our prototrack programming that we've been learning.
So how's it going?
So far so good. Just trying to keep it within tolerance, which
Yeah.
is a little nerve-wracking, but we're getting there. It's a lot of fun.
Excellent. So now this is a 2-semester program,
Yes.
right? You're at the end of the semester.
Yes.
What's next for you?
I got a job Newington, close to where I live, and I'll be there. I might come back for the machine electrical program a little bit, but right now just kind of get out in the job market and see what they have to offer.
I feel like they definitely set us on the right path so that way we can succeed in life. So
Excellent.
after we build up enough skills, I would love to just start my own manufacturing company. So me and Austin, we might put our minds together.
Great.
And
So you
that's
got a
our
little
company.
entrepreneurial spirit in you, huh?
Exactly.
All right,
Exactly.
excellent. Well,
Yes.
Connecticut's a great place to start a manufacturing business.
I know,
We have a
that's
lot of
true.
support,
That's so
for
true.
you. So I'm here with Austin. This is the other half of that Brandon and Austin team. So that they're talking about their big dreams for the future.
We're looking at something that we can build up from the ground up. We were told about a couple of students that attended here, and it was 2 brothers that started up their own business. there's a lot of opportunity if you can find the right niches to get into.
Do you think Asnuntuck has given you the right tools to be able to succeed?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
And all the instructors are always willing to give you more advice that's not even in the course curriculum, just because of their experience out in the industry.
We got 875 plus nothing and minus 5 10,000ths of an inch.
Oh, that's
so
good.
We got a little bit of a
So
tight tolerance on there.
plus nothing.
Yeah.
That's generous of them. All right, everybody, it's getting close now. We're pretty close to 15 minutes. The kids are working hard. Some of them had to go back to the drawing board, but we're almost ready at the end of the competition. 15 minutes left, competitors. There's only 15 minutes left in the competition. I'm here with Jessica Taylor. She's the executive director of ACM. That's the aerospace components manufacturers. And she represents 121 companies in the aerospace industry. And she's one of our judges here today for the manufacturing challenge. So welcome, Jessica.
Thank you.
So tell me, you've been here, you've walked around. What are you seeing out here on the shop floor here at Asnuntuck?
Sure, so the students are definitely hard at work this morning, very concentrated, very focused on their prints and what they're making, so it's great to see all the activity.
What are you looking for as you're out there?
So I want to see, that they're paying attention to details, they're talking to each other, double checking what they're working on and having fun while they're doing it.
All right, here we go. We're at the 5-second mark in the Manufacturing State Championship here at Asnuntuck. Here we come. Machinists, step away from your machine.
Please make sure you use your voting coin to vote for the best college table display by the bookstore by 1:30. Thank you, everyone, and I turn it over to Paul LeBoy.
It was exciting to be out there. This is the Manufacturing State Championship right here, right? This is it. Some of these kids are going to go pro. Some of these kids are going to go back to school, but everybody's going on somewhere, and everybody's going to take what they've learned here at our community college system, and they're going to go out and make amazing things that we make here in the state. So let's move to the conference room for the assembly challenge. 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, your assembly champion, Quinebaug Valley student team. See, this is why you never give up. Don't give up, right? What we're going to do is we're going to start our speaking program, and we're going to have our judges retire to a private room so they can tally their scores and come back. The People's Choice Award, and this is for the table set up out in the hallway, goes to Capital Community College. Yay, Capital Community College. The Assembly Award goes to Quinebaug Valley Community College. Quinebaug, stay right where you are. This is a little anticlimactic too, right? So, the Aesthetics Award goes to Quinebaug Valley Community College. But wait, there's more. Please do not go anywhere. That is correct. This is a state championship hat trick. The Precision Award goes to Quinebaug Valley Community College. We are coming home with the heavy hardware. All right, listen here, we're here with the Quinebaug Valley manufacturing team who just in the state championship took 3 of the awards. So what's the key to your success?
Well, we had really good instructors to start that have coached us through the program up until this point, and we just came and showed up today.
Oh man, what a day. This was amazing. The first Manufacturing Skills Challenge here at Asnuntuck. It was an exciting day to watch these kids work together out on the shop floor, make these parts, work together as a team. Great awards ceremony, and everybody here is a winner because you know what? They're going to go on from this, they're going to move on to either further their education or go into the workforce, and you know what? State of Connecticut Manufacturing is going to win. So thank you everybody for the great initial Manufacturing Skills Challenge here at Asnuntuck.